In the previous lesson, we have created the authentication for our e-commerce system. Now in this lesson, we are going to add a front-end form to let the user create a new item or product from the front end. So in order to do that, we will start by registering a new path here. So here we have added a new path to dashboard/product/create. Now let's go to our views.py file, and here we will add the new method. This method will handle two types of requests, get and post. So here, if the request method is equals to post, then in that case, we will get the product form and pass the post parameters along with the request files. Here, unlike other forms, we have passed a second argument, that is request.files or none. So when we are dealing a multi-part form that can contain a file upload field, then in that case, we need to pass this second parameters. Now we need to create the product form. So let's open our forms.py file. This product form is going to be a model form. So here, inside the class meta, we have passed the model name, which is product, and after that we have passed the fields array, and inside that we have set title, image, price, and description. And for the field image, we have mentioned that it's a image field. Now we need to exclude one field, that is slug. So everything is ready. Now we need to import the model. Now save this file and let's get back to our views file. And here we need to import our form. Now let's continue. If the form is valid, then in that case, we will execute the form sub method. So here what we are doing is, we are executing form.sep, but inside that we have passed commit is equals to false. So that means it will create an object by using the form data and assign it to this variable product. Now after that, we need to set two fields of the product model, and that two fields are user ID and slug. So here, in order to generate this slug, we have passed product title inside this slugify method. Now what it will do is, suppose you have passed Sony TV as product title, then in that case, this slugify method will return this. All the values will be in lowercase and spaces will be converted to hyphens. Now, once everything is done, we will call the save method. And once the product is saved, after that we will create a message called product added. And finally we will redirect the user However, if the form is not valid, then in that case we will render the template in the else part. We will just initialize the empty form object and render the template with the empty form. So that's it for the product create method. Now we need to import Slugify. So here we have imported Slugify from django.utils.text. So now here you can see we need to create a new template called create.html inside ecom/product. So the first thing we will do is extend our layout file app.html . we're going to add the product form inside the cart body, but before that we need to load crispy form tags. So here is our form. Inside the form we have passed the CSRF token, form, crispy, and finally the submit button. Now there is one thing missing, and that is the ENC type. When we are creating a form that includes a file upload field, then in that case we need to pass ENC type is equals to multipart / form data. Now save this, and we are ready to check this out in our browser. Now we are inside our dashboard logged in as Robert Smith. Now if we try to visit dashboard / product / create, then we are getting our form. This form contains 4 fields: the product title, image, price, and description. So let's fill this form. Once the form is submitted successfully, then after that, at the line number 100, it is generating an error, no reverse match, because there is no route or path with the following name dashboard / products. So let's get back to the editor and figure out how to fix this. So basically at the line number 100, you can see ecom:\dashboard _ products. That means when the form is valid and we save the form data in the database, after that it will be redirected to the dashboard / products or dashboard _ products path, which we have not registered yet. We will register that in the next lesson, but for now what we can do is go to our admin.py file, and here we will register our model product. Now save this, and now if we visit the admin, here we can see products, and there is one product object available. This is Sony TV, and our image is also saved. However, we are getting an 404 page not found error because we have not set yet the media root or media URL. We will talk about that later.